Okay.
This is the cleanup. So first you have this nasty thing. And the lid is all full of gunk. So you just have to scrape that out.
Wait, I wasn't taping.
Was it?
Yeah, it was.
What?
That's the discharge.
So you can also put a plastic baggie in here to make this easier, but Sam didn't do it because he's not smart. So then you have these things.
That's not difficult to clean that.
No, you just kind of have to rinse those. And then you take apart the wheel. That you have to scrub.
That's pretty easy to clean.
So these are all just rinsing and this is scrubbing.
Do I have to video the whole thing?
Brush. Yes. And she knows how long it takes.
It's already past a minute. Tessa won't do anything else longer than a minute. This is the hardest thing to clean, which is what Katie started with.
Well, yeah. Are you still taping?
Huh?
Are you still taping?
Yeah. I mean, kind of.
I mean, it still has a little stick.
It's fine. Dude. And then you clean those things, and it takes another 30 seconds. Stop.
No! Fuck the bad boyfriend.
She really wants to see every part of the cleanup?
Yeah.
There you go. So hard to stand here and hold this thing up.
It is not. I did it.
Yeah, but I juice things in 40 seconds.
That video was also like 3 minutes, so shut up.
Now you're gonna have to put both videos up.
I know, that's why I hate you right now.
Should I video you cleaning up the breakfast dishes too?
No. That's what you're doing. You're in trouble now.
No. And that's it, 2 minutes.
And then you have to clean out the sink too.
Oh my god.